Hi there again. Dr. Moran Chiamama Saghiv, KIIp by Dr. Saghiv. Knowledge itself is power. Let's use this video to enrich you with more knowledge and make you more powerful. So this video we're going to discuss briefly or start the discussion about muscle fiber types. Every muscle in your body is made up of three types of fibers. You always have all three. The question is how much or what percentage of the total in your muscle or in a specific muscle is from every type. Type 1 is known as the aerobic fiber. It specializes in creating energy with oxygen, known as aerobic energy, and it is the dominant fiber to be used in aerobic activities. Usually activities that go on beyond 2 minutes and upwards. It will become the most dominant fiber. We always use all the fibers, but we use certain fibers more according to the circumstances and to the advantages that they give us. So type 1 is the aerobic fiber. Dominant in activities of 2 minutes or so and more. The next two fibers are anaerobic fibers, meaning that they are meant to create energy mostly without oxygen, but they do differ from each other. The first anaerobic type is type 2A. It is a muscle fiber that is best suited for producing energy fast, anaerobically, but has a relatively high content of oxygen in anaerobic enzymes. So it can also produce its energy aerobically, just like type 1, but not as much as type 1. And it is perfect for anaerobic activities of 30 to 120 seconds, which we call anaerobic endurance activities. Okay. The third type is the most anaerobic type. It's type 2X. It used to be called type 2B. All right. And this muscle fiber is going to be dominant in extremely fast movements, anything between 1 and 30 seconds, and especially in movements that we call explosive movements, where we have to develop what we call anaerobic power, explosive power. It is the most anaerobic fiber that we have. It barely utilizes oxygen. It can, just a bit, but barely. Summary. Three types of muscle fibers. Every skeletal muscle has all three, but to different extents or percentages. Type 1 fibers for aerobic activities, high capacity to work with oxygen. Type 2A is an anaerobic fiber. It's an anaerobic fiber, but has a medium, sometimes medium high capacity to work with oxygen, fit for activities of 30 to 120 seconds that we call anaerobic endurance or muscular endurance. And type 2X is the most anaerobic fiber in a muscle, fit for explosive movements, anaerobic power, a lot of force in a small amount of time. This is the first video in a series of videos that we will analyze muscle fibers and associate them with movement and performance, etc. Guys, visit my website, www.kiipbydrsaghiv.com. Follow me on Twitter, KIIp by Dr. Saghiv, or subscribe right here on YouTube. Send me a message. Ask me a question. Write a remark. Is there a specific video maybe that you'd like me to produce? Something that you'd like me to explain? Anything goes. Like the video. Like my comments. Let's talk. What's going on, guys? Where are you? Dr. Saghiv, I'll see you around.